Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by isolating affected garments. This prevents cross-contamination. Take the clothes outside and gently brush off dry spores. Do not shake them indoors. Next, you pre-treat visible mold with a 1-to-1 mix of white vinegar and water or a liquid detergent. Rub gently into the fibers. Make sure to work in a well-ventilated area and wear gloves if you have sensitive skin. Once done, let the pre-treatment sit 5 to 10 minutes so the solution penetrates the stains. You now move to the washing machine. Check each garment's care label and choose the hottest safe temperature. Heat helps kill spores. Add half a cup of baking soda or 1/2 cup of oxygen bleach to boost cleaning power and select a full wash cycle. If molds are heavy, run a second rinse to ensure residues are removed. Make sure to use at least the recommended detergent dose. Concentrated detergent plus oxygen bleach breaks up biofilms and lifts spores from the fibers, improving. You finish by drying immediately. Sun drying is ideal because UV light disinfects. Otherwise, use a high-heat dryer if the garment allows. After drying, inspect each item closely. Mold can hide in seams and collars. If you still see spots or smell mildew, repeat the pre-treat and wash process once more. Make sure to avoid storing slightly damp clothes. If stains or odors persist despite too thorough attempts, consider a professional cleaner who can apply stronger, fabric-safe treatments and prevent long-term damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.